Ever had that sinking feeling when you check your bank account and something doesn't look right? A charge you don't remember? Now imagine waking up to find everything gone. Your money, your identity, your entire online life, stolen by someone you've never met. Sounds like a bad dream, right? But for millions of people, this is real life. Cybercriminals are out there right now, hacking, scamming, and stealing. And the worst part? It's getting easier for them. Our internet, this thing we rely on for everything, was never built to be secure. It was designed for connection, not protection. And as technology gets smarter, so do the hackers. But what if we could fix it? What if we could create an internet that's truly unhackable? Scientists are working on exactly that. It's called the quantum internet, and it's about to change everything. 1. The internet is broken. Let's be real. The internet wasn't built for security. It was built for communication. A way for scientists to share information. A tool for businesses to connect. A place for us to send cat videos to our friends. But over time, we started using it for things we never planned for. Banking, medical records, even government secrets. And that's when it became a goldmine for hackers. Cybercrime, a growing threat. Cybercrime isn't just about stolen passwords. It's a multi-trillion-dollar industry. And the damage goes way beyond money. Let's talk about some of the biggest cyber attacks in history. 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack. A single virus infected over 230,000 computers in 150 countries. Hospitals, airports, businesses completely paralyzed. Doctors couldn't access patient records. Surgeries were delayed. All because of one vulnerability. 2020, SolarWinds breach. Hackers broke into U.S. government agencies, including NASA and the Pentagon, by slipping malicious code into a software update. They weren't just stealing data, they were spying on an entire government. 2023, MOVI data breach. Millions of people had their most sensitive personal data stolen, from banks, government agencies, and hospitals. And here's the scary part. This is just the beginning. Quantum computers, a hacker's dream? Right now, our online security depends on encryption, complex mathematical puzzles that would take today's supercomputers centuries to crack. But quantum computers? They could solve those puzzles in seconds. That means, once quantum computing reaches its full potential, no password, no encryption, nothing we use today will be safe anymore. So what can we do? We need something new, something unbreakable, something based not on math, but on the laws of physics. And that's where the quantum internet comes in. 2. What is the quantum internet? So, what exactly is the quantum internet, and how is it different from the one we have now? Let's start with the basics. Classical versus quantum computing. Right now, everything on the internet runs on classical computers, machines that process information using ones and zeros. Like flipping a coin, it lands on heads or tails. But quantum computers? They don't play by those rules. Superposition, the multitasking superpower. Instead of just ones and zeros, quantum bits, or qubits, can be both at the same time. Imagine flipping a coin and having it land on heads and tails at once. Sounds impossible, right? But this is what allows quantum computers to process information at speeds we've never seen before. Entanglement, the cosmic connection. Now, here's where it gets even weirder. Quantum particles can become entangled. This means when you change one, the other instantly reacts, even if they're on opposite sides of the universe. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. And for the quantum internet, this means one thing: unhackable communication. 3. Why the quantum internet is unhackable. Think about today's internet security. It's all about encryption, turning data into a locked puzzle that only the right key can unlock. But quantum computers will break those locks instantly. That's where quantum encryption comes in. Quantum key distribution, QKD, the self-destructing code. Instead of using math-based encryption, quantum encryption is based on the laws of physics. If a hacker tries to intercept a quantum encrypted message, the data self-destructs before they can read it. Think of it like sending a letter that bursts into flames if the wrong person opens it. This means, white heavy checkmark, no leaks. White heavy checkmark, no hacks. White heavy checkmark, no surveillance. That's why intelligence agencies, NSA, CIA, and even global security firms are already investing in this technology. Because in a future where quantum computers can break every existing password, only quantum encryption can keep our secrets safe. 4. Who's racing to build it? Right now, the world's biggest tech giants and governments are in a race to build the first global quantum internet. China launched the world's first quantum satellite and successfully sent encrypted messages from space. Google and IBM developing quantum computing systems to create secure networks. Europe investing billions into quantum internet projects to secure future communications. And here's the big question: who gets to control it? Will it be used to protect privacy and freedom, or will it become the ultimate surveillance tool? This is why we need to pay attention now. 5. How can we prepare? So, what can we do to make sure this technology is used for good? White heavy checkmark, stay informed. Quantum tech is coming. The more we understand it, the better we can shape its future. White heavy checkmark, push for ethical use. We need laws that ensure this technology isn't controlled by a select few. White heavy checkmark, secure your digital life. Until quantum encryption becomes mainstream, protect yourself now. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Use VPNs and encrypted messaging apps. White heavy checkmark, support ethical tech. Back organizations that fight for digital privacy and security for all. The quantum internet has the power to level the playing field, but only if we make sure it's used for the right reasons. The unbreakable future. The quantum internet isn't just another new technology. It's a turning point. For the first time in history, we have the chance to create an internet that protects people instead of exploiting them. But how we use this technology will define our future. Do we build a world where privacy is a right? Or do we let it become another tool for control and surveillance? The choice is ours. If you believe in a future where technology works for everyone, hit like, subscribe, and share. Let's build a future that's secure, fair, and free. See you next time on Mystic Prism.